that we're very excited about.
World premiere, nice.
But yeah, the sound is very energetic. It doesn't leave much room for, you know,
for breath. Yeah, nobody's breathing.
For fairy tales and for what do you call it? Unicorns.
Rainbows and unicorns. Yeah. No rainbows and unicorns.
So it's in your face. That's
cool.
That's what I can say really. What we can say really.
I can't wait. Ferry Corsten and Marcus Jules presenting a new act, New World Punks. Stay tuned with us and interact. #ASOT600NYC. Let's go back to the stage where W&W are still waiting for the sound to go on in the main room. They are playing for us, but we're waiting for the sound to come back on in the room. So stay tuned. In the meanwhile, enjoy the set of W&W live from New York. Looks like we're back in full effect. W&W live from New York City, Madison Square Garden.